Okay, so we're gonna start with the driver's side first. Look at that quality. It looks really good, incredible. So to take these off, you basically want to start from here. I have a little prying tool and I'm just gonna put it in between and pry it off. So I'll get to it. Here's all the clips for basically the back. Here's this clip, it's gonna go in here, and then this bottom one's gonna go in here and clip on, and the other ones are just gonna hold it down right there. So cool. Not show it. So here it is. First one's on. That looks so good. Quality is really good, honestly. But my mirror caps are pretty much beat up right here, but damn, fits the seam so well. Now let's do the other side. In comparison, the orange and the carbon. Looks really good. And here's the other side. Again, nice, seamless. A little bit of gap here, but everything else just like the OEM. Looks really good. If you guys want to pick it up for yourselves, definitely check out KiesMotorsports.com and get yourself a pair. The carbon fiber definitely looks so much nicer. Just matches everything. Check it out. Well, start out in the front. Gloss black grills, carbon fiber fangs. We have the mirror caps now thanks to Kies Motorsports, the roof, the rear wing, and the carbon fiber tips. Diffuser is coming in. Don't know when, might take a month, maybe less. I'm hoping less, but yeah. These puppies look so good. I'm definitely really happy with them. Thank you so much, Kies Motorsports. Can't thank you guys enough. Looks really good. Huge shout out to Kies Motorsports for hooking me up with these. They're awesome. I love them. Thank you guys so much. And again, thank you for installing my springs. Carbon fiber mirror caps. They look awesome. They match the car so well. And like I mentioned before, if you guys want to grab it for yourselves, definitely check out Kies Motorsports. They have awesome parts. They sell almost everything. So check them out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.